Okay, so here's the story. MrBeast made this app called Finger on the App where you have to keep your finger on the app and move it around into all these tiny little bubbles. Now, I, the enterprising individual that I am, decided, you know what? Let's use this as a chance for good, and if I win $25,000, I will be donating it all to charity. To that end, I figured I could probably cheat a little bit and get away with it. I made a crappy little robot that does just that. Let me show you how this thing works. It is set to never lock the screen. You're gonna plug in your Arduino. Okay, there it goes. Now we're gonna return to home. I'm gonna hit practice mode. All right, this guy is on the screen. What? Yes. No. What? Okay, you know what? This is pretty dicey. We're coming dangerously close to the edge of the screen. What we need to adjust is that bottom right position. Let's make it like 118. Yes. Live. No, why? We got it working. It's cooking. It's cooking. This is it. This is the one for all the marbles. We're just not gonna touch frickin' anything until game time. So how does this thing work? Basically, you got servo number 1 over here. This guy pivots, you can think of it as up and down. Then you got servo number 2, which you can think of as pivoting left and right. In reality, it's not this simple. Each server pivots on an angular path, so really you're changing the point in a circle, but that doesn't really matter, and I know you don't want to hear about it, so forget that. This whole thing was assembled for like 12 bucks and an Arduino, of course, with about, I don't know, like 20 lines of code. Oh, holy crap, the game's actually starting. Wait a minute. Okay, so the game is actually starting now. It's starting in 4:44, which means we have exactly that long to get this. So we should just start this guy right now. Nope, come on. Come on, you were working just a second ago. Hold on, I've got like 3 minutes. Holy sh**. Let's go, come on. Yes, baby. All right, it. We're just gonna let this guy run. 14 minutes now. I am just gonna tiptoe my way out of here. It's looking pretty good for this guy. I don't wanna get too close because I don't wanna knock it off its path, but whatever it's got going, it's solid. All right, I've been gone for like 3 hours. This is pretty much the moment of truth.